Hi everybody, this is Trail Rider 570. We're going to do something a little different today. I am going to help some campers, and this is AJ's Polaris Outlaw 90. We're going to set a suspension up. If you notice, it's got the typical lean to it or squat. When we get done here, it will not have that in it. This has started its life as a 90. You can see how the suspension is different on this one. It's set up. Obviously got bigger wheels on it, but we're going to do the same thing to his. We're going to set his suspension up. You can see how the wheels are toeing in at the front, at the bottom, pulling out. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started at that in just a second here. Okay guys, now what we're going to do, I got everything basically set on it. We're going to basically move this shock out one hole on each side in the front. Then we're going to tighten these all the way up because the young man that owns this is right there. And we're going to tighten these all the way up. Then that'll make it set without the wheel toeing out like that. So we're going to do that here now. First I'm going to get a block of wood. I'm going to put on my jack. We're going to jack it up, take the weight off the front end, and then I can pull the screws, which I already loosened up. Then we can go ahead and readjust it. So we're going to grab the block of wood and we get going here. Till it kind of settles in. Going to take his helmet off here though. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down just a little bit and see the bolts move. Can you turn that down a little bit? Only reason I'm saying that's a copyright. That's called a copyright strike. Oops. Trying to get this just right where I get that bolt. There it is. Yeah, they consider them copyright strikes. Oh, okay. There we go. See you later. We'll ride. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to move this out one hole to move it to the next hole. We're going to do both sides. I'm actually doing both sides, so you're going to see the one side, but the other side is just a duplicate of this. They're trying not to talk. We're almost done. Yeah. shocks it a little bit straighter. I can go back home and tell everybody, yeah, I got my quad fixed and I made YouTube. Now we're going to tighten up the clickers.
All right.
There, that one's all the way. What we got to do now, we're going to tighten up these clickers here. Somebody already had them somewhat adjusted. We're going to go all the way with them because of his weight. Ain't saying he's heavy, just because he's a little bigger. Then we're going to go around the back. We're going to tighten up these in the back here. Got a big one right here. Gotta get bigger pliers.
Daddy.
Hello? He's the guy who
Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tighten up the rear clicker for him.
we're going back to meet before we head out.
If we can get her to move, we'll be all set.
Everything's good. I like it. What do you say?
And just like that, we got everything tightened up. Now we take the weight off, put the weight on it. See how the wheels are sitting now? See, they're sitting straight. These are out. We tighten up the suspension. Just like that. It's all done. That's how you set up your suspension for on your Outlaw 90s, 110s as your kids get older. And you see now how it sits. It's sitting straighter, it's sitting a little higher in the front and back. So there you go, guys. See you later. Bye-bye and God bless.